Welcome to Bonorong Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven for nature enthusiasts nestled in the heart of Tasmania, Australia. As a cruiser exploring the picturesque island, immerse yourself in the unique and diverse wildlife that defines this sanctuary. Bonorong offers an intimate encounter with iconic Australian animals, including kangaroos, koalas, wombats, and the famed Tasmanian Devil. Visitors to Bonorong have the opportunity to get up close and personal with wombats, observing their delightful behaviors and interactions. Learn about the remarkable adaptations that make wombats well suited to the Australian landscape, from their powerful legs to their distinctive pouches. At the sanctuary, the Tasmanian Devil takes center stage as a charismatic and iconic marsupial. Visitors have the opportunity to witness these fascinating creatures up close, gaining insight into their behavior, conservation, and the vital role they play in the Tasmanian ecosystem. The dedicated guides at Bonorong share their knowledge about these unique marsupials, educating visitors on the challenges they face in the wild and the sanctuary's efforts to ensure their survival. The Tasmanian Devil derives its name from the island of Tasmania, which is located to the south of the Australian mainland. European settlers in Tasmania named this unique marsupial after observing its aggressive and often ferocious behavior. The devil part of the name was likely inspired by the unearthly and intense vocalizations the species makes, as well as its stocky, powerful build. For an unforgettable wildlife encounter and a deeper understanding of the plight and importance of Tasmanian devils, Bonorong Wildlife Sanctuary provides an immersive and educational experience that resonates with visitors exploring Tasmania's rich natural heritage. At Bonorong Wildlife Sanctuary in Tasmania, the kangaroos offer a charming and interactive experience for visitors seeking a close encounter with Australia's most iconic marsupials. The sanctuary provides a unique opportunity for guests to connect with these fascinating creatures in a natural and peaceful environment. As you wander through the kangaroo enclosure, you'll be captivated by the grace and agility of these marsupials. Bonorong's resident kangaroos, known for their gentle nature, often approach visitors, creating a heartwarming and immersive experience. The sanctuary encourages hands-on interaction, allowing guests to feed and gently pet the kangaroos under the guidance of knowledgeable staff. Guides at Bonorong share insightful information about the biology, behavior, and conservation efforts dedicated to these incredible marsupials. Visitors gain a deeper appreciation for the role kangaroos play in the Australian ecosystem and the sanctuary's commitment to their well-being. For families and wildlife enthusiasts alike, the kangaroo encounter at Bonorong Wildlife Sanctuary provides a memorable and educational experience, fostering a connection between humans and Australia's unique wildlife. It's a chance to witness these iconic marsupials up close, leaving visitors with lasting impressions of the natural beauty and biodiversity found in Tasmania. While ostriches are not native to Australia, their inclusion at Bonorong showcases the sanctuary's commitment to providing a well-rounded and educational encounter with unique animal species. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating destinations.